Hello everyone, John Wilsie here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon, home of the premium pre-owned store location. Right here we have in front of us is a 2017 Fun Finder, model number 24KR. Exterior length roughly about 28 feet here for you. Beautiful floor plan. You can already tell it has that tan exterior with the two-tone decals there for you. One thing I do love about this floor plan, I'll get a chance to describe a little more in the interior, but let's go ahead and take a look through the pass-through here. You're going to have your outdoor grill there for you, and you're going to have your built-in vac system. I'll show you where that is located at there. As we continue, you're going to have your power awning, quick connections here for you, power outlets for exterior. You are going to have your emergency exit to the main bedroom and also your main entrance located back here for you. You're going to have your outdoor speakers located right and built into the power awning itself too. As we walk in, beautiful interior. You're going to have the two-tone setup of the light interior. You're going to have your rear kitchen located with your 3 stovetop gas burner and your oven, along with your convection microwave. Lots of storage and lots of natural lighting through the kitchen to bring up the interior. Lights it up there for you. You're going to be introduced with a nice sofa seat here for you that folds out to a bed, along with your dinette table that drops down to another bed here for you too. Along with right here, you have your built-in vacuum system that we got a chance to look right underneath the coach. It has all the hose and attachments there for you. Makes it easy to clean, a breeze. As we get up, you have your entertainment center there for you and your connections for DVD player located right there. Nice storage space right here. You're going to have your wardrobe closet, along with your overhead storage. You're going to have your side bathroom, but lots of space. Corner shower, sliding glass doors, medicine cabinet, and you're also going to have more storage located right here for you. And as we continue, you're going to have your own privacy to the master bedroom. Walk around queen bed, and there's your second emergency exit, and you're going to have more storage right above. Emergency exit window there for you too, and it does give you an option for the nice wall back mountain TV there for you. It just attaches right there, and you got your connections located there. Overhead ducting system. It is an all-weather season trailer. So folks, if you think this one might be the right one for you, I recommend coming down here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon. Get a chance to look at this amazing 2017 Fun Finder. Come down here and ask for John, and I'll be happy to take care of y'all.